guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the best ever vanilla sugar cookies. These cookies have a unique texture. They are crispy at the edges and have a soft and chewy center. Making these cookies is really very simple with few ingredients that are easily available. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And now let's get started. So for this recipe you require 2 and 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 cup of caster sugar, 1 cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and 1 egg. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. In a large bowl, take the flour, baking powder and the baking soda. Mix them well and keep it aside. In another bowl, take the butter and the sugar. Make sure that your butter is in room temperature, which means it should not be too hard or melting. Cream them together for 2 to 3 minutes till it turns light and fluffy. Don't forget to scrape the edges of the bowl using a spatula while doing so. Add in the vanilla essence and the egg and beat it in. Gradually add the flour mixture into the butter mixture and mix it well. You can also mix it with your hand mixer. Using your hands, bring the dough together to form a large ball. Take a little more than 1 tablespoon of the dough and roll it with your hands to form a ball and place it on a baking tray greased or lined with parchment paper. This recipe makes about 30 cookies. Here I have made only half of the recipe. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Once the cookies are out of the oven, let it cool completely on a wire rack and then you're done with it. You can store these cookies in an airtight container for 2 to 3 weeks. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.